So in this video, we are going to look into artifacts, what they are, why are they useful, and how to build your own, and for what kind of use cases would you possibly want to do that. So artifacts you will find here in the chat, in a regular Claude interface, and you click here. Okay, so first we can look at some inspiration. So these are the artifacts that Claude already has pre-built or someone has built from Claude and they curated that. You can think about it in terms of it could be an interactive experience on top of something that you've created. For example, if someone has a pain point on there's a lot of meetings, right, and you want to create a meeting notes summary, you don't want to pay for another external tools, you can create a meeting notes summary artifact, which will basically help you paste the text and then transform it into structured summary. Let's see if I can just copy from the video I'm recording here and just paste it here to see if it works. And then we're gonna get the summary. So it's like a mini app that solves or shows something that could be of value or create sort of interaction experience. So you can see now it has a meeting summary note. It's like vibe coding, light version of vibe coding of solving some tiny pain points that you have. And then you can customize it. So here you will just be able to like explain, okay, I like this artifact, but this is thing what I want to do. I want to update the style, make it more personal and things like that. So you can customize it just in the chat interface and then you publish and then you have it. Okay, depending on what kind of niche, what kind of business you are, you can think, I wonder, could this be like, could I make a quiz for my customers? Could I make some interactive learning experience? Like if you're in a coaching or course creation space, right? So look at the examples and it will give you some ideas what could possibly be the case. So how to create an artifact? We need to press new artifact. And here it will give us different options. So do we want to build an app or a website, different types of documents and templates, games, productivity, creative projects, quizzes or survey. So quiz is really good example and I love it as a lead magnet. So let's say we want to start from scratch. So I want to build a learning experience that would complement my YouTube video. So let's say I have a long tutorial on YouTube. I will paste the transcript and I will ask it to create this interactive experience, right? Or I can ask it to create a quiz or a presentation. Here is my YouTube video transcript. And based on that, I want you to create like a walkthrough presentation of key concepts so that can follow along my video. So it's like an educational interactive addition. And here is my transcript. Another very cool use case that you can use it for is that you can create, especially if you're in education space, you can create educational resources, either as lead magnets or an additional value add to your clients. And then it's asked, okay, this is what we're looking for. Does this match your vision? Looks great. Go ahead and build it. And then it will go ahead and build us this artifact. And we can see it just, if you've done vibe coding, you would recognize this. You just literally see the code being created, right, while you just sit around. And here we can see how it's actually looking. So while it's coding there, you just need to press here and you will see the actual look of it. So from here we can improve it. And if we don't like the look of it, we can just say, you've seen me doing this before, but I like this bold colors and funky graphics. So we can just copy the link and we go back to Claude. Can you make it in this aesthetics instead? And then I post a link and it will rework it. It will recode it. It identified the aesthetics of Gumroad and then it gets back to work. So now it's done. It took a couple of minutes. Again, if you want to see the progress, you can always navigate to this eye icon and go like here, right? So you switch between code and this. This is how you get to the interface. And look at this. This looks so much nicer, right? So I have just created a supportive resources for people who want to follow more visually. Everyone is so tired of PDFs and all this kind of resources. And this is just so much fun. And all we need to do from now on is to press publish. So publishing this artifact will make it accessible to anyone on the internet, potentially visible in search engine results. Your chat will remain private. So that is just something to be aware of. For me, it's absolutely no problem. Like for the purposes that I would use it for, I think it's even like really good for SEO. So because it has a CTA to my offer, if someone comes across it on the internet, then people will know what next steps to take. It even expands like the area of my presence and my content's presence. So I will just publish and copy link. You can always unpublish it later. And then you can copy link. You can also get, if you already have a website, so you can get a code to that. You press on get embed code, you copy the code, and then you just put it into your WordPress or something. But from here, we copy the link. Let's try it out. Let's open up a new tab. And this is the thing and this is what we're going to be providing to our audience. How amazing is this? This is so cool. And another thing that you can also do, so let's say you want to, again, I'm thinking mainly educators. This is so much value for educators. You have so much frameworks and ideas and things that maybe you want to package that in some way. Or if you create a resource like 100 different ideas to do this or that, right? Turn that into much nicer resources for your clients to use or as a lead magnet. Like I think this is amazing use case for that. Okay, so that was creating the artifact. I'll include some of the examples that I think are worth trying, worth testing out, and just to keep your imagination flowing, what can you possibly experiment with under the video, and if you're watching this in the AI Solopreneur Club. So now you can go ahead and play around and create your first artifact.